There is 4.
You gonna go help your sister?
Mr. Grinch, there is 4.
What?
4, Mr. Grinch.
Mr. Grinch. So we are processing chickens today, and so I'm not going to be in the kitchen to cook. So starting a crock pot of potato soup. So we're going to have a guest with us today helping us, and so I want to make sure that we have some food for her. So I've just got potatoes, beef broth that I made yesterday, and butter, and I'll put some salt and pepper and some broccoli in there. And I got some onions in there, and then closer to time to eat, I'm going to throw some cheddar cheese in there, melt that, and hopefully it'll be delicious. Y'all ready to help?
Yeah.
Daddy said the chickens are really dirty.
Yeah.
It's been so nasty and muddy.
Are you gonna do all of them?
Yeah.
They're brown. To do it.
By hand, like we did
Yeah.
last time.
That was hard.
Mm-hmm.
They're still. What is that thing?
You're just testing them by pulling the feathers out.
Yeah.
You go out. You go out. You go.
You mean run them back that way? Muddy chickens. Muddy, muddy chickens.
It's like fishing.
It is like fishing. Fishing for chickens.
It is too late.
Have you ever butchered chickens and listened to Christmas music at the same time?
I don't think I'll do it again either. It's too late.
So what did you decide
About what?
about the last butchering of the year?
Oh, it's just too cold and wet. I think November's about the last we need to do this.
Yeah.
They ate more feed just trying to stay warm.
Oh, that makes sense.
That's one part of it. They didn't.
Yeah.
They got as big as they normally do, but they ate more feed.
Gotcha. I hadn't thought about that.
So they're more expensive.
Yeah, that's true.
Mommy,
You better watch out.
All right.
Mommy, could I hold you? There is 4.
You gonna go help your sister?
Mr. Grinch, there is 4.
What?
4, Mr. Grinch.
Mr. Grinch. That's funny, Sal. You jumped off the diving board. That's exactly what it looked like.
Cannonball.
I gotta get a shot of your feet. I'm not really sure why you're wearing flip-flops.
I just like wearing flip-flops. Watch.
It's called a crop. And then it goes down. This is kind of like a stomach right here. And then it goes into this thing, which is called the gizzard.
Ew!
Inside the gizzard, there's rocks. They eat rocks. And that gizzard does like this. It's like a muscle. And it crunches the feed up with those rocks.
Ah.
See, it goes in their mouth, down their throat, right here, and into this pocket, like a little pocket. I
Pocketbook.
don't know if you'll look sometime after we feed the chickens and they got a big bulge right here. You ever seen that? That's because this is full of feed. And it slowly goes down this into their little stomach. I don't know what that's called. It's part of the gizzard.
Yeah,
And
I
then it goes
see.
into the
I
gizzard.
see it. I see it with the other chicken.
You're waiting on the cannonball.
Yeah. You too. Look.
Oh, I remember one day, the next day, sometimes it worked out that way, and I got a streamline. Hey, I'm coming down this day.
Yeah.
You know.
Okay,
Help it.
so just tell me who you are and what your farm is and what you do.
I am Candace the Quack Dealer. We do duck eggs right now. Well, let me backtrack. We don't have any duck eggs right now. We're growing out some ducks, our new ducks, because we sold our old ducks that weren't producing really anymore.
Gotcha.
So that's our focus right now. We're Brazington's Natural Farmstead. And we're looking to add some more, you know, products to our farm. Like we're going to explore organic eggs, and we're also going to continue with our non-GMO eggs.
Okay.
We're still trying to figure out what we're going to add. We want to do meat chickens, we want to do meat ducks, we want to do meat quail eggs. So we'll see how that goes.
Okay. Cool. All right. Well, thank you for helping us today.
Oh, absolutely.
We've enjoyed it.
I love learning. Thank you for having me.
Good.
Manure.
Yeah, it doesn't go away. I mean, it's
Yeah.
got a half-life of a long time. whatever
Yeah,
that means.
so I was like, maybe we shouldn't do that anymore.
Yeah.
You know, it's like, I don't want to use Roundup in anything, so I'm not going to get that manure anymore. Let's just use our own manure.
Those peach trees right there, the last chickens we raised,
Uh-huh.
I ran them by the peach trees
Uh-huh.
and then dumped on the brooder by the peach trees, and they doubled in size this year.
Really?
And it's crazy.
Yeah, we have a couple peach trees. Now, what do you do to keep like worms? Oh, it's at 150. Worms out of them. You don't just kind of eat around them. Because I was been looking for like at organic sprays and stuff, because you won't eat them
Yeah.
if they have worms in them.
So let's check on the soup, see how it looks. Looking good. I'll put some cheese in there now. How is it?
Good.
Good. Is it everything you hoped it would be? Is it everything I hoped it would be?
Yeah.